Hey everyone, this is Dr. Shaila. I'm so much enjoying my breakfast here. It's hemp seeds. I have about half a cup of hemp seeds and about half cup of oatmeal, about 3/4 tablespoon of raw honey, and I have the walnuts here, few walnuts, and there is a vanilla powder, vanilla bean that you can just buy and freeze it for almost a year. It'll stay. A tiny piece and crushed it and I added it here. And the raw honey, this is presented to me by a friend. Thank you, Karen. This is a raw homemade honey, in fact, home honey. This is such a delicious breakfast. You can add any fruits of your choice if you have, but today I don't have any fruit in the house, so I didn't add it. And also I don't want too much sugar. You can replace honey with fruits if you want. Enjoy it. This is really an amazing breakfast. And I'm really enjoying the birds chirping and the beautiful sun out there. It's really awesome. Thank you.